Hello, Subhangi.
Hi, sir.
Hi. How are you?
I'm good. How are you?
User-friendly fabrics. We meet the fabric your skin want to stay. So we'll first introduce Subhangi. Miss Subhangi did her graduation in textile from a School of Fashion Technology, KIT University. Currently working in design department as design executive at Jayashree Textile, and it's under Aditya Birla Group. Personally, is very good as a person. And this is very little things about Subhangi.
Thank you, sir. And I would like to introduce you as well. Avinash, sir, he was our CAT faculty at in my school, and we had really good experience with you. I got to learn about from you, like so much from you. And yes, still, thank you for me for having the. I had a really good opportunity to talk to you and having a live session. So thank you for this.
Yeah. Thank you, Subhangi. So first, I will introduce you with the history of linen. It's very basic about history of linen. It's a textile. Linen is a type of textiles made from the fiber of the flax plant. In ancient Egypt, was used for mummification and burials, swords because it's symbolized light, purity as well as wealth. Linen was so valued in ancient Egypt that it was used as a currency in some cases. The linen in this mummy is also perfect a state of preservation. In 1992, we find something from Egypt. It's wrapped around with linen fabric, and it's still we can preserve so many things in so many years. I think just because of its antibacterial things.
Bacterial property.
Yeah, antibacterial property in the linen fabrics. It's a linen is a kind of wow fabric. Sometimes we'll take it's have so many good properties, so we called as a wow fabric. Why is it called as a wow fabrics? Please tell us some
And
properties.
Sure, sir. Actually, why we call linen a wow fabric? Because first of all, it's a natural fiber, and
Yeah.
it got some quality related to you. If like the person who is gonna wear linen fabric, first of all, we have this property. It's a antibacterial. It's a antibacterial. It have an antibacterial fact in it, and while you wear it, there's some like really few chances you'll get to like you'll not get allergic to the fabric. Sometimes there's some kind of fabrics which people are not properly comfortable wearing it, and second, it's a long because of it's a natural fiber. It got the breathable factor in it. It's a really breathable fabric. You can wear it in any season, and it's comfortable, and it's a sustainable fabric as well. Its durability, I'll say, because the process of making linen fabric is quite long, and that's why the durability of the fabric is quite stable, I'll say, but depends on the quality of the fabric, which fabric you're gonna buy.
Yes. Right. So I am also wearing the linen shirt.
Oh, really? Nice to see.
Yeah. So we just think about is feeling well when we wear linen things. So tell me something about the benefits of wearing linen in summer.
See, because of its breathable factor, it's comfortable. Like if you compare linen with cotton, so it's like because of linen got the breathable factor in it, it's quite easy to wear, and it's a UV. We have a factor properties UV protective as well. Your skin will not get harmed by the UV rays, and you cannot have any kind of like it's possible you'll not get any kind of infection from the like UV lights, or you'll not get infected by the fabric. Plus, it's I'll say it's like uh, what I'll say, it's comfortable. It have a quality. If because wrinkle is a linen is a got a wrinkle effect in it. It's a permanent quality which it have. So it gives you a different look, and plus summers you need comfort. You should have it should be sweat proof at least, so it will not be so sweaty. If you'll wear cotton, like if you wear white, so the sweat you can see absorbency is not as good, but linen got that absorbability factor. That's the best part of it. So that's why it works in like summers well than winters.
Yes, yes, perfectly right. And we want something more about the linens. It's like so many myths are there about the linen. Like linen can only be dry clean. It's right or wrong?
No, it's not that. It's not exact. I'll not say it's a dry clean, but see what we make as like what we make personally. There are some categories. They are so kind. Like in cotton, there different kind of categories of cotton, like finer counts and coarser counts as well. But in linen as well, same. If you go for so finer count, you might need dry cleaning for it because it got a wrinkle thing. Once you wear linen, it's gonna get a wrinkle effect on it. Some people like it and some people don't like it, but it's a linen tendency. That's where linen is like got to know about it. And I'll not say it's actually a myth. You don't need dry cleaning for wearing linen. And yes, we have like if you want, you can directly wash it, normal wash, cold wash, and we have a like proper spray for it, which you can spray on your linen fabric. It's anti-wrinkle fabric, so you just need to spray that
Yeah.
solution on the fabric, and it's done. It's ready to wear.
So it's we can make it wrinkle free.
Yes, it's not exactly wrinkle free because wrinkle is the quality of linen. So I'll not say it's exactly wrinkle free. Once you wear it, it's
Oh.
gonna get full of wrinkles.
Okay, okay. But we'll try to remove the wrinkles through ironing.
You can definitely. There are ways to remove wrinkles.
Now, next thing we think about the linen wool because we need in all seasons because we need in winter also. Everyone is known about mostly people are known about the summer fabric. It's a kind of lightweight and summer fabric. Your point of view at the linen is also a winter fabric.
See, if you come to the north side of like we know very well, north people know it because it's like the winter season. It's quite so strong here. So it's not something you cannot wear linen. You can wear linen because it's not totally a summer fabric exactly. I'll say you can wear linen in winter as well, but because of its factor that breathability and UV protection and as well, I think any fabric you're gonna wear, you can wear it in winter as because you cannot just wear a shirt and you can walk around. You have to wear something above that as. But it's a fabric. If you blend linen with wool, the question you asked me, of course, it's we have a category with linen wool, and that's quite coarser count one. So you can wear coarser counts in winters. You cannot wear so finer counts of linen, finer counts in winter. Coarser count as.
Want to learn something about the business of linen during the COVID situation.
This question is like everyone is asking right now because COVID, of course, it's affecting a lot. Like it's affecting every business because clothes and fabric is something which is not essential for everyone. So somehow it's not a first requirement and it's not a first choice. It affects a lot because see, recently, if I talk about my place and where I work, so we are not doing as much as possible, but somehow we have to run, so we have to do something in the business. So because no, unlike I don't think so. People's first requirement is cloth or fabric. First of all, not fabric at least. and we are like dealing in fabric and different categories, menswear, women's wear, everything. But it's of course it's got affected by COVID situation, but somehow situation's gonna go on like it's gonna go slowly, and we are gonna recover by it. It will take some time to recover a good business and maintain the same line which you were on from last so many years. So of course it affected the business a lot.
Yeah. Every business is going to affected in
What's
this
your
situation. Yeah.
what will be your view on this situation? How it's gonna affect? I think textile is a business which is gonna
Yeah.
least bothered category for everyone, I guess.
Yeah. It's not now a fashion is not now a basic needs. When we have everything perfect, then we can go for the fashion and we can go for the actually the perfect fabric which we want. And the abhi everyone is money oriented. Everyone save money for the future. Like nobody knows the what is the future when everything is fine and the vaccine is comes in the market, then only we'll sure that COVID is gone. Otherwise it's always there, so everyone is worried. And fashion is comes later in our life, and fashion is also directly proportion to money also. We are fashionable because we have enough money, matlab we have surplus monies, or we want everyone wants to be fashionable, everyone wants to be look good, but first they require the basic need. After that it's all the things come around.
Yeah, that is
So
the thing.
everyone thinks about linen is for summer only. You taste the blended fabrics we'll use in winter also. So there are so many festivals in our countries, or for men's wear or women's wear or even kids wear. So can we use in all trends or in all matlab it's in all festivals?
No, it's not exactly festival wear because
Yeah.
see, because it's a premium brand. So somehow everyone cannot afford this. And because of the, like, as you can say, it's a market price or something, but it's a business category thing. So while if you are working, like if you are some kind of politician, politician wears linen. If you're a businessman or you're a person who needs to travel here and there quite few whiles, so you can wear linen properly. But basically our linen category gets sold well in south areas, because we know south winter, and plus like our greatest, if I'll say, festival sell is in the south like the festival South Indians have. Like if you'll talk about Onam, or I don't know every festival of South Indians, but
Yeah.
we have categories for South Indian festivals, so it gets sell well properly, and we had a good business with South Indians always because of the festival and because of the categories they wear. We have a categories in formal wear or traditional, like ethnic wear, bandis, bangala, and in formal, if you'll come, you can have blazers, coat, and dhoti. We have. So dhotis and all this
Okay.
gets sold quite well in south, and plus about because of the price point of view, like it's properly, I'll say it's totally, it's a budget free for the South Indians, so they are good with it. We always have a good business with south areas. We do
Okay.
well in now north and west as well, but
Mm.
like weather like is a part of it, I'll say.
See on the website there is so many pajama, kurtas,
Yes,
and jacket is also there. Yeah.
yes.
So we think about we can wear in festivals kind like Sadi Wadi kind.
you
if
definitely. It's properly. It's of course you can see. First of all, customer goes for their own requirements, so you can make your own requirements. You can go. You can buy for your own festival. You can buy it for your own seasons. You can buy it for your own weddings. You can go for it. So there is nothing like you have a certain category or certain festivals where you can buy
yeah,
linen fabric.
yeah, fine, fine. So now we'll conclude something. It's your all the point of view. Today, linen is appearing in fashion more and more for a variety of reasons. So, in regards to sustainability, linen just make a sense of natural fiber and better for environments, and it is excellent alternative to cotton. I can say it's
Yes,
uh,
yes,
क्योंकि
for sure.
every times we'll wear only cottons, so linen is the best fabric, I think.
Because people are comfortable with cotton, so time to time, this linen is doing its business properly and well. It's working in market.
Or nowadays everyone wants something antivirus kind, coronavirus का
Yes,
anti कुछ हो,
it's
like antibacterial, like
no,
linen is
yeah,
a
anti.
antibacterial fabric. Yeah,
It is an antibacterial fabric, and recently we started mask also. So of
Mhm.
course, because of the category, like because of the property of antibacterial property, it's playing a role for making mask for the COVID situation, and it's working well.
Yeah. Additionally, its quality and performance give its luxurious feel, even when being used in casual garments. The fabric is been showing up in many high profiles category or labels. I think because it's
Yes.
not cheap, it's not very cheap, so it's not for the very lower class peoples because it's a little higher price
You
than
can
normal fabric.
say that because of the price point of view, because it's a premium brand, so it's you can say it's not for the lower society, but yes, of course it's a premium category, so of course it will work in a premium section as well.
Yeah. Or also, it's a long lasting. We'll think about the Egyptian thing is better communicate about the long lasting process because 3000 year
That's why
कोई भी चीज किसी को प्रिजर्व करके नहीं रख सकता,
इसीलिए इतने साल तक
and it's
इजिप्शियन
we
मम्मीज
can
पे
wear it.
रैप्ड है.
Yeah, अभी भी मतलब it's so many things because of antibacterial things, I think, क्योंकि बैक्टीरिया उस पे इफेक्ट नहीं करता, तो that's why the reason, और it's also insulating our bodies, so जो हमें चाहिए, जो मृत शरीर को चाहिए, ऑक्सीजन हो या जो भी हो, तो वो भी मिल जाता है. और इट्स ब्रीथेबल, कहते ही हैं ब्रीथेबल, वन ऑफ द ब्रीथेबल फैब्रिक, एंड सस्टेनेबल तो हो ही गया बिकॉज इट्स बायोडिग्रेडेबल फैब्रिक सिस्टम.
Yes,
So this is all about for today. It's wonderful talking to you, Subhangi.
same here,
I
sir.
hope
Same
to
here.
see you again. And
Same
this,
here, sir.
thank
I hope
you
to see
very
you
much.
again. I thank you to you. I'll say thank you so much for this opportunity to talk to you. I think it has been long since I haven't seen you.
So till the time, stay safe, stay connected, and keep
Yes.
smiling. So
Take care. Sure, sir.
thank you
Take
so
care, you too.
much. Thank you so much
Thank you,
for
sir.
watching all the. Thank you so much for watching all the
Thank you so much,
audience
viewers.
here.